Good morning, students. Welcome you all. It's English class. Myself Kamal Nath, and I am going to start the chapter Patol Babu, film star. In the last video, I had given you detailed information about the author Satyajit Ray, and I had told you how great he was, a great personality of our country, a great filmmaker, great writer, great director, illustrator, and no doubt he had just several hidden talents. He explored in his life and showed and surprised the world. In this part of the video, I am going to start the chapter that is Patol Babu, film star, written by the same director Satyajit Ray. As I had told you in that video, that he was not only a great filmmaker, he had great talent to write short stories, and he did several other works that showed his great talent. Let us see in the very first part of the story, beginning part, as the story is big one, so it will take time, and I will need to make some other video as well to conclude the story. So let us see in the first part of the story. I will give really just and recapitulate the introduction of the author again, giving a short information. As Satyajit Ray was a renowned Indian filmmaker who made films in Bengali. He is considered one of the best filmmakers of the 20th century. He was also a fiction writer, illustrator, and a music composer. He did not only make film, but he was a good music composer. His film was liked for its music as well. He authored many short stories and novels for children and adults. One of the stories right now before you that you are going to read. He was a multi-talented person. He received the Lifetime Achievement Award at the Oscars. You have heard this here, prestigious here, name Oscars, Cannes International Film, and he got several prizes on just all these here platforms. Here, let us go and see about the story. The story you have been given to enjoy, to know. Patol Babu, film star. What is here the theme that is in the beginning part of the story? The story of Patol Babu, written by Satyajit Ray, is a story of a man who was very passionate about acting. He had great passion for acting. Satyajit Ray really has depicted his passion, his great interest to act in the movie. He was a famous stage artist in youth. When he was a youth, he had acted in many stage work, and he was a great artist, stage artist. The story depicts his experiences and struggles he went through in his life. He had depicted in the story how his life was so struggling, full of obstacles, challenges, and difficulties at every step, and how he faced. The story tells us how a small role in the film rekindled the passion of acting in Patol Babu after a break of 20 years. In this story you will read, Patol Babu left his acting 20 years earlier, but after 20 years, when he was about 50 years old, he got an offer, a chance to act in a movie. How it again rekindled, means lighted, raised, caused the passion of acting in Patol Babu. This is the story of his bond with acting, how he was dedicated, committed towards his work, which was above all monetary benefits. He didn't really just like to work in the movie to earn money, to get money. It was his passion. It was his just a great will to receive appreciation in the talent, in the field of his acting. He didn't work for monetary benefits only. The only thing that Patol Babu wanted to have was full satisfaction while performing his role well in the movie, in the theatre. This was his passion, to great appraisal, appreciation, admiration from the audience. That gave him great satisfaction. Here, what is the summary of Patol Babu, film star? Patol Babu, the protagonist means here the dominating character of any story or movie. So Patol Babu, who is in this story the main character, dominating character, leading character of this story, was a middle-aged man. He was around 50 years old. And you know here, what is here? Middle-aged man. He was a short and bald man. He had no hair on his head. He was a bald man. He worked for the theatres and stopped acting a long time back, much earlier. When he got the chance to act in the movie, he had already stopped acting much ago. It was almost 20 years since last worked in the theatres. He had worked in the theatres and he had done so just 20 years back. One fine morning, when Patol Babu was going out to market, he was visited by his neighbor, Nisikanto Ghosh. Nisikanto Ghosh was one of his friends and he was his neighbor who came to his house in the morning when Patol Babu was about to go to market. He told Patol Babu that his brother-in-law was making a film. Nisikanto Babu told Patol Babu that his brother-in-law was making a film and he was looking for an actor who would be around 50 years old. Means filmmaker was in search of a man who was middle-aged person, means whose age was 50 years, around 50 years old. Short with a bald head. That was the characteristic of that character. The description of the character best suited Patol Babu. So Nisikanto was asked to inform him if he was interested in doing that small role in the film. So Nisikanto Babu came to his neighbor, his friend Patol Babu, to request him or to ask him if he was ready to act in that film. That was a small role. Nisikanto also told him that he would be paid remuneration, means he would be handsomely paid for his work, for the role. He informed Patol Babu that his brother-in-law Naresh Dutt would come to see him at 10:30 am the same day. Patol Babu was very surprised by the offer. He was now here 50 years old, middle-aged person, and he had left his acting much earlier. He had worked in the theatre. He never thought that he would get an opportunity to work in films. He had given up. Now he is just all hopes. And there was no chance for him. That only surprised him when this offer came to him. He was completely dumbstruck. What to tell, what not to tell. He was so nervous and excited that he bought the wrong vegetables from the markets. He went to market. As you know that he was ready to go to market when Nisikanto Ghosh came, his neighbor, his friend came to tell him about the offer of the film. So after hearing that, he went to market and he was only thinking about this great opportunity. He was nervous, and in that thought only he bought the wrong vegetables from the markets. Patol Babu worked in the old railway factory. He was just a service holder. He was working in old railway factory, but he was passionate about acting. His passion was to act in the movie, and he acted in a small theatrical stages in the neighborhood club, and people were very fond of his acting. In theater also, he acted so well that the neighborhood people and those who saw his, no doubt, acting, they admired. They actually bought tickets to see Patol Babu's acting. His acting was progressing very well without any difficulties. But in 1943, because of the war, Second World War, you have read in history, because of that Second World War, his 9-year-old job at the railway factory was terminated. He was dismissed due to that great war. So he had to quit his job, and ever since then he was struggling to make a living for his family, to maintain his livelihood. It was so difficult for him as he had no job now. So we have seen here in the very beginning part of the story about Patol Babu, about his life in the beginning, about his passion, and I would continue this one in the second video of this here story, in which I will detail you what happened to his role when he met the filmmaker and how he performed his role, what happened at last. That is no doubt very interesting, and I will explain you then. Till then, you go through whole story minutely. Thank you, students. Thank you being with me. Thank you.